KOHO Direct Deposit. How fast is your money? Ever stare at your bank account on payday, willing that direct deposit to magically appear? We've all been there. Especially when you're relying on that paycheck to hit the ground running. So, if you're a KOHO user, how long exactly will you be waiting? Context and explanation. Look, traditional banks can be slow. Sometimes painfully slow. Especially when it comes to that sweet direct deposit hitting your account. But KOHO isn't your traditional bank. It's a new kind of financial app designed to help you manage your money better. So, the question is, does that mean faster direct deposits? The answer? It depends. In most cases, you're looking at a pretty quick turnaround. We're talking 1 to 2 business days from the moment your employer hits send. That's faster than some big-name banks out there. There is a bit of a disclaimer though. When you first set up direct deposit with KOHO, they need to review it before the money hits your account. They say this should be done by 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But after that initial hurdle, things should smooth out. Subsequent deposits from the same source will likely land in your account even earlier in the day. CRA deposits. Now, what if you're expecting a government deposit, like from the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA? These guys tend to have their own schedule, independent of your bank. With KOHO, you can expect CRA deposits to hit your account within 5 business days of the scheduled payment date. Avoid the weekend wait. Here's a quick tip to keep in mind. KOHO doesn't process direct deposits on Sundays or holidays. So if your payday falls on one of those days, your money might not show up until the following business day. A little planning goes a long way. Troubleshooting tips. So you've waited 2 business days and your direct deposit is still MIA? Don't panic. There could be a few explanations. Double check the details, make sure your employer or the payer has the correct banking information for your KOHO account. A typo in a routing number or account number can cause delays. Contact your employer. Sometimes, payrolls get messed up on their end. It never hurts to follow up and confirm they sent the deposit. Reach out to KOHO support. Their support team can't see upcoming deposits, but they can help troubleshoot any issues on their side. They also have some helpful resources on their website to get you back on track. KOHO perks. Look, even though KOHO offers faster than average direct deposits, that's not the only perk. They're all about financial empowerment. They offer features like roundups to help you save without even noticing, instant spending notifications to keep you on track, and no hidden fees. So, there you have it. KOHO direct deposits can be lightning fast, especially compared to some traditional banks. Just remember to factor in that initial review period and be mindful of weekends and holidays. With a little planning, you should have your hard-earned cash ready to roll when you need it most. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more personal finance tips. Until next time.